Hello students, welcome to Maths class. Today let us start chapter number 6, Lines and Angles. Before going to start this chapter, let us recall some basic terms and definitions. In previous class, you have studied line. What is line? A line is one-dimensional figure. It extends in both the directions infinitely. And line segment, it is the part of a line and it has two particular ends in both the sides. And ray, it has one end but in another side infinitely it extends. Next is collinear points. If two or more points lie on the same line are called collinear points. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear points. Suppose A, B, C are 3 points. Here, they don't lie on the same line. So, they are called non-collinear points. And next is angle. Two rays originated from the same endpoint is called an angle. It is actually angle is made with two rays. Now let us study types of angles. First one is acute angle. You know that if angle measures less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. You can give examples. Angle 30 degree, 45 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree, so on. It must be less than 90 degree. Next is obtuse angle. Angle measures more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. You can give example. Here angle A is equal to 100 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree, 160 degree, so on. Right angle is exactly equal to 90 degree. Straight angle, an angle which measures exactly 180 degree is called as straight angle. And reflex angle, an angle which measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. You can give example. Angle 200 degree, 250 degree, 300 degree all are examples for reflex angles. Okay. Now let us extend pairs of angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Example, here two angles are there and one is 60 degree and another is 30 degree whose sum is 90 degree. So this pair of angle is called complementary angles. And you can give some more examples. 70 degree plus 20 degree also 90 degree. 45 degree also 90 degree. So they are also examples for complementary angles. Next is supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Example here 120 plus 60 degree 180 degree. And also you can give 90 plus 90 also 180 degree. And 150 degree and 30 degree equal to 180 degree. You can give many more examples. Adjacent angles. Two angles are adjacent if they have common vertex and common arm, and their non-common arms are on different sides of the common arm. Is called adjacent angle. It has common vertex and common arm. Remaining two arms are on different sides of the common arm are called adjacent angles. Linear pair. Sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree and that pair is called linear pair. Here 50 degree and 130 degree equal to 180 degree, and it has common vertex and common arm but whose sum is 180 degree is called linear pair. Next, vertically opposite angles. If two lines intersect each other, suppose here two lines are there, intersect each other, and you see two pairs of opposite angles. Here A and B are vertically opposite angles. C and D are vertically opposite angles. Two pairs of opposite angles. And also these vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. These are some basic terms and definitions. In this chapter, you will study the properties of the angles formed when two lines intersect each other, and also the properties of the angles formed when a line intersects two or more parallel lines at a distinct points. Thank you.